In this tutorial, I will demonstrate the process of changing the country associated with your X-App account. To begin, launch the X-App on your mobile device. Tap on your account icon located at the top left corner of the screen. A menu list will appear. Navigate to the Settings and Support option. Scroll down and tap on Settings and Privacy. Proceed to the Your Account section and select Account Information. Tap on Country and input the name of your desired country in the search box. Select the appropriate country from the provided list. On the subsequent page, tap the Change button. Your selected country will now be displayed in your account information.